This is the sound you hear when your chicken, when your hen is fussing that she's trying to lay an egg. Just listen. Me and the wife looked through the window and we saw the egg drop. Lord, that was amazing. The hen stood up, the egg dropped. She reached down and moved it around and walked away. The egg looked a little wet because of the heat. The wetness quickly evaporated. And we was like, wow, that's the first time we saw a chicken lay an egg. The egg actually dropped from inside of her. Here's our new addition again, Harlequin. She had a sister named Betty Boot, and a hawk came down, swept her away. Isn't that something? So now sometimes we come out here and we look in the sky, see them flying around. We don't check for eggs until later on in the afternoon. They lay eggs all morning. And generally they stop about 1 or 2 or 3. So we just leave the eggs in there until my wife get off and come and grab the eggs. The little Harlequin didn't earn her respect. Before they used to run her away.